MG has officially launched the MG Windsor EV Pro, which is essentially an upgraded MG Windsor EV. The Windsor EV has seen tremendous success since its launch and is currently India's fastest selling EV. Why has the Windsor thrived? There's multiple reasons. It is aerodynamically designed and looks pretty good. It is hella spacious. The seats give you business class like experience and can recline up to 135 degrees. It has an infinity view panoramic glass roof and a first in its segment 15.6-inch massive touchscreen. Basically, it's packed with features and tech. But most importantly, it was introduced at just rupees 9.99 lakh under the BAS model, where you're buying the car but taking the battery as a rental service and you're paying a certain amount per kilometer you drive. So I will come to the BAS explanation in just a bit. So what's new for the MG Windsor EV Pro? Well, firstly, ProTech, where you get level 2 ADAS with 12 new safety features such as adaptive cruise control, traffic jam assist, etc. You also get V2L, meaning vehicle to load, where you can charge your appliances, your devices through your car, and also V2V, meaning vehicle to vehicle. When in an emergency situation, you can also charge a compatible EV with the MG Windsor EV Pro. And you also get a power tailgate this time. Now you also get Pro battery and performance. You obviously get a bigger battery pack. So the earlier 38 kilowatt hour battery pack has now become a 52.9 kilowatt hour battery pack. The earlier claimed range was about 332 kilometers per charge, while now you get a 449 kilometers per charge of claimed range. Now for the charging experience, with the MG Windsor, you get a 7.4 kilowatt AC charger, by which your car will go to a full charge in about 7 hours, and you get a 45 kilowatt DC charging option in which your car will go from a 20 to 80% in about 45 minutes. And as for the MG Windsor EV Pro, you get the 7.4 kilowatt AC charger through which your car will go to a full charge in about 9 hours, and you get an option of a 60 kilowatt DC fast charger. Your car will go from a 20 to 80% in about 50 minutes. Now, other than this, the new additions are you get a beige themed dual tone ivory interior, and along with that you also get 3 exterior color options to choose from, which are Celadon Blue, Glaze Red and Aurora Silver. Now coming back to BAS. So for the MG Windsor EV, the pricing starts at 9.99 lakh, where you're supposed to pay rupees 3.9 per kilometer that you're driving. Now if you're going for a regular purchase, the pricing starts at 13.5 lakh. Coming to the MG Windsor EV Pro. For this one, under BAS, your pricing starts at 12.49 lakh, but you're paying 4.5 rupees per kilometer you drive. The regular purchase option, pricing starts at rupees 17.49 lakh. Now these pricing, that is for the MG Windsor EV Pro, these are just for the first 8,000 customers. Now a few other things, you get a 333 ownership pack, wherein you're getting 3 years of unlimited vehicle warranty, 3 years of roadside assistance and 3 labor-free services. Everything else remains just like the MG Windsor EV. You do get lifetime warranty if you are first time MG owner, and you also get 60% assured buyback after 3 years. So all in all, there's a 3 lakh jump that has happened for buyers who are looking for a better battery pack, better range, better performance and better tech features and all of that. And Windsor is a name that has gained a lot of popularity, so we are guessing that people would be willing to go for the Windsor EV Pro. If you want to know more about the EV, you can head to our website, and I will see you soon with the car this time. Till then, electrify your journey.